Welcome back. It's night now. Today for the whole day, I am just thinking, what should I do? I get several bad news today. Let me show you. They got to know where I was last night. Impounded my CS. And the shield. These are the bad news. For the whole day I cannot think that what should I do. But no, I make a plan. I know very well that they will find this place also, because last day as you saw they chased me, and I hide here. So definitely they will trace this place. So I have decided I will go to the forest and hide so they can't trace me. But before that I have to hide my Supra, because if they come here they will impound the Supra also, so I can't take risk. Let's do the cold start. So, I will hide it inside the house, which they can't think about that. For this reason I am opening all the door in second floor, so I can hide it. Now you just see how I am going to hide it. Best place behind this pillar. No one can think about it. Now the Supra is safe. Now we have to leave before sunrise. Otherwise cops will again spot us. We are taking the G-Wagon. Let's do the cold start. Let's go to the forest. Before entering the forest we need to fuel up first. We don't know what is going to happen next, so we need to prepare well. Let's park here.